Hello guys, and welcome back to my video, to my course. Today I will share with you my experience. So for me, I work on mobile app and games. I make apps and games and monetize it, use AdMob account, and also another ad network. I will share with you all that on this course. No worry, I will share with you everything on this course to work. So when I see myself, I work good on this business. I ask myself why I am not help people to solve problems in AdMob account and Google Play and something like this. So I make a Fiverr account and I try to provide a service. And as you can see, guys, a lot of people, most of people coming to me to solve AdMob problem. As you can see, AdMob problem, and there is also a problem in Google Play. As you can see here, also in Google Play. As you can see, most of people are getting good, are give me good review because I provide good service for those people, as you can see. So that's why I make this account to help other people, because I don't have a time now. I am work in another business and also in mobile app, and I don't have a time because AdMob account every time need consultation in Zoom and something like this. So I need also to continue with user. That's why I make this course to give, because when in Zoom I explain to people how to fix the problem. So that's why I ask myself, why you not make a course and explain everything in this course, and then when anyone asks you, just send ask you for this problem, AdMob problem, send him this course and he will fix the problem. So that's it on this video. No worry, on next videos you will see all the steps you need to fix the problem. Also, if you have any problem, just send me a message. I will if you have anything you don't understand anything or something like that, just send me a message. I will reply to you.